big reality movement. See, I'm a conscious Rastafari.
Black skin,
Can I
black
get
roots
some?
and majestic with the black king. Today I'll sing you a black song. You need to hear about beautiful black things. Cause most time we hear about black, we hear about black magic and black witches. Black list, black book, black market, black Friday, spend off your black witches. I've never seen a doctor in black, nor seen a black pill to cure no black people. But I've seen bush doctors like Cash and Molly, resurrect like a real black people. Malcolm, Marcus, Martin. When you see Walter Rodney asking, oh you know hear about how we're laughing. So when the little offspring asking, tell them they never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us black is beautiful. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black is beautiful. You a behave and a go on like you never spent 500 years on a farm. The same chain you a wear and a go on is another black life in Sierra Leone. Boy, find out Mama Earth got golden. They find out Mama Earth black so then. You work hard just to get a black card. Same card with a swipe by back your black golden. Hold on, I see enough faces long, but this is not a racist song. This is a song for the children who was ever told about where the race is from. They never hear it in their favorite songs. Everybody calm as the slavery's done. What I got one when the babies come. I start read about things like Logan's Black Kemet and Kush, Black Kings, Black Senate and books. But teach about pyramids and put real significance to the physical looks. So everywhere when we sing black, in my world everything black. Black, white, white, black, right back. So don't be surprised if we say me king black. Cause they never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us black is beautiful. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black is beautiful. Preacher is preaching, good God, the things that he preaches. I wonder who taught him to preach. Teacher is teaching, where did he get his degree? Now it is no mystery, who taught us that history? Jesus. There's something about you, girl, and I don't think it's just a smile. I don't know how to say it now. I've been thinking for a while. The best way to say it, woman, you're an
Rastafari.